Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I want to introduce a new project called online shopping. So here comes the project description. This project is designed for the people who don't have time to go and shop. So in this project the people was included or provided all the products with their brands and varieties of the product. So this application have the three main modules like admin, customer and deliverable. I just want to show you the flow chart which gives you a clear understanding of this project. This is the flow chart of this application. Here, the admin will log in with the predefined email and password. After login, the admin will add the category and brands. According to the category, the admin will add the products and delivery boy. And added categories, brands, products, and delivery boy can also be viewed by the admin. Now the customer will register and log in into the application. Soon the customer will view the products and add the products to the cart. After adding the product, the customer will order the products by making the payment. The all the orders which are done by the customer can be seen in the view orders. Now the admin will come into the action and assign the order to the delivery boy, and all the orders which are ordered by the customer can be seen in the view orders. After assigning the order to the delivery boy will come into the action, and the delivery boy will log in with the same email and password. After login, the delivery boy will view the assigned orders. If delivery boy was delivered the order, the delivery boy will mark order delivered. Now the customer, if customer receive an order, then the customer will tick on the mark order as received. All the histories can be seen in the orders histories particular their account. Now we will get into the application. This is the home page of the application. I'm just logging into the admin by giving the username and password. Click on login button. This is the home page of the admin. Now I'm adding the category. The admin can add the category. I'm adding like electronics. Click on add category. The added categories can be seen in this categories place. Now add brand. Lenovo. The added brands can be seen here. Add products. I'm adding the product name as AC. Choose category, price, and choose brand, available quantity. Choose the picture. I'm choosing the picture, and warranty of this product. About the product, and give the serial number. Click on add product. Now the added products can be seen in the view products. We can also edit the product price and quantity. Sorry, I'm giving the fine and click on update product. Now we can see the serial number available, everything was changed. Now the admin will add the delivery boy. Choose picture, email, address of the delivery boy, give the password and phone number. Phone number should be 10 numbers. Click on add button. Now the delivery boy was added. We can view in the view delivery boys. Log out. Now the customer will register Sharmila, female, sorry, female, and giving the email and wallet amount, password, address, and give the phone number. and click on register button. Now the customer was registered successful. Customer can log in into the account with the registered email and password. Click on login button. This is the home page of the customer. Now the customer will view the products. Here we have the availability of 5. I just want to order 2 quantity. Click on add to cart. Now we can see in view cart, we can see the products that we have added into the cart. We can also remove the product here. I just want to order. So click on order now and give the card number. Card number should be up to 16 digits. Card name, CVV and expiry date. Click on place order. The order was placed. We can see the status was ordered. In view orders, we can see ordered products. Now log out. Now the admin will log in into the account and the admin will in view orders. The admin can see all the orders done by the customer. Now click on dispatch order and the admin will choose the delivery boy from the drop down. And as we have one delivery boy, I'm taking the menu and click on assign order. Now the status was changed to assign to delivery boy. Log out. Now the delivery boy will get into the action by giving the email and password. Here in view orders, the delivery boy can see the assigned orders to him. And if the delivery boy ordered the delivery, then the delivery boy will click on make as delivered. Now the order was delivered. The status was changed. Now I'm getting into the customer by giving the email and password. Sorry, I just given the wrong email and password. So this is the email and password. In view orders, we can see that order delivered. If order was delivered to the customer will get into the application and customer will click on make as received. So we can see that the status was changed and the delivery boy name and delivery date and time. So this is the main purpose of this application. Hope you guys understand about this application. Thank you.